Welcome back. Okay, so we got a securit. I think it should be renamed couldn't secure shit. You like that? Working key. Okay, do the business. Should be an easy lock to open. If I can find a tensioning tool. I've dropped them all and now I'm sitting on them. Okay. Top of the keyway. Ain't got my glasses on, so. Hardest thing about these locks is getting on the pins because the keyway is so small. There. Simple 4-pin padlock, no security pins. Find the pins, push them in, it opens. Couldn't secure shit. But it's open. Remember, keep it legal. Catch you later.
You fitted it.
Say goodbye, Sarah. Say goodbye, Sarah. Say goodbye, Sarah. Say goodbye, Sarah. Show us your boobies, Sarah.
Shut up.